In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google site public. If you've built a Google site and you're ready for the world to see it, making it public is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and also point out a few tips so you know what to expect once it's live. First, open your Google site in the editor. Make sure you're in the site you actually want to share, especially if you have multiple drafts or versions. You should see your site's content in the main workspace, along with the top toolbar where publishing options live. Next, look to the top right and click the Publish button. A panel will open with controls related to how your site is shared. In that panel, find the gear icon labeled Settings. Go ahead and click that gear to open the visibility options for your site. Inside the settings, locate the section that says Who can view my site? This is the key control that decides whether your site is private or public. Choose the option labeled Anyone. Selecting this means your site can be viewed by anyone on the web who has the link without needing to sign in. It's perfect for portfolios, informational pages, and resources you want to share broadly. After choosing Anyone, click Done to save that setting and return to the publishing panel. You're not finished until you apply the change, so now click Publish. If your site was previously published, this updates the live version with the new visibility setting. If this is the first time you're publishing, it will take your site live for the very first time. Once published, your site will be accessible at its public web address. It may take a moment for changes to appear everywhere. A simple way to confirm is to open the link in a private or incognito window to ensure you're seeing what a visitor would see. If you still see a sign-in prompt or an access error, return to the publish settings and double-check that anyone is selected, then publish again. Keep in mind that public means available to viewers across the web. If you ever need to limit access again, you can revisit the same settings and adjust visibility. Also, remember that design changes you make in the editor aren't visible publicly until you publish them, so publish whenever you're ready for updates to go live. And that's it. You opened your Google site, use the Publish button to reach the settings, set visibility to anyone, clicked Done, and then Publish to apply. Thanks for watching and enjoy sharing your site with the world.